Hey YouTube, it's Mike. I'm back with another episode. So today I am going to do a video on cutting this cable. This is a 3/0 gauge, and I'm going to crimp it with my hydraulic crimper. This is badass. All right, so show you how it works. Let's get this thing done. Get my pen. All right, marked it. This is a lot of cable. Okay, this is what I need. The jaws of life. Here we go. Okay, just a little bit more. Right there. Okay, right there. Make sure you can see that. It's hard. There it goes. Done. Ow, that was crazy. Wasn't even that hard. Look how thick that is. Look at that. That's what I just cut. Look how smooth that cut is. Not bad at all. Alright, so now I'm going to have to open this up. Put it in here. Let's measure this out. Get my razor blade. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this PVC pipe cutter to cut this wire. Alright, so here we go. Turn it around. That'll be a good idea. Alright, so here we go. Oh, this thing can really cut. Oh, wow. Okay, we open the blade. Okay, oh yeah. Cut it nice and, see that? Sweet. Now I gotta get this thing off. Let's pull it off somehow. Not bad. Pretty sweet. All right. Look at that. Not bad at all. How thick that cable is, huh? Woo! Okay, so this is the connector we're gonna use. This big badass cable. Oh, fits perfect. All right. I got my hydraulic crimper. Okay. Okay, so we got here. Okay. You see what I'm doing here? Okay. see. That looks like the best angle there. Okay. Just gotta hold it. Let me close the valve. Okay, I'm gonna start squeezing. All right, here we go. It's holding. Just make it straight. Just a slight bit. Okay, here we go. Make sure it's holding. Okay. It's holding. Now this thing makes crimps in the shape of an octagon. It's not like it's gonna crimp on one side. It's gonna crimp in a complete circle, which is pretty cool. It really is. All right, so I gotta hold that wire back there. Okay, here we go. This is the part that I don't like too much about this thing. Here we go. Let me hold it out my leg. Here we go. Okay, it's looking good. Yep. She's tight. I think that's it. Yeah, it's not moving. Let's see what we got. Holy crap. Look at that. Jeez. Alright, so I need to do another one down here, so it can all be flush. This is should have done a little bit higher, like right at the edge, because it looks like this one needs like a double crimp. It's kind of long, these things. Let me just do it again. Wow, this thing is really truly amazing, I tell you. Okay, turn it on. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Alrighty. There we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oops. Came out. Alright. Right there. Okay. Okay, right there. Okay. There we go. Actually, let me fix that again. There we go. Okay, there it is. That's the only part about this jack is not really cool. Other than that, this thing is badass. There we go. Yep, there it is. She ain't going nowhere. Yeah, definitely got to move it up. Definitely got to move the crimp up a bit. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, pinched it a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely an amazing piece of equipment. Definitely amazing. I pinched it a little bit here because I already had crimped it. I should have crimped it a little bit higher. See up there? I should have started like right there. Like right here with my pen. Yeah, right here. I should have started crimping right here. Instead I did it in the middle. And I got this little pinch here on the side. But that's okay, but look at that crimp. Look at that crimp. It's an octagon like. It's amazing. It's completely sealed. See that? Completely sealed up. It's amazing. Alright, that's all I got for you today. Leave your comments, like, subscribe, and hit that little ding ding ding, the little bell to notify you when you get a new video up. Alright? Alright. See you later. Bye.